Or is that a trail? 6 gallon. Would you just go like that, or would you still use Personally, I would have used one of the jugs that we have, but I don't know if we threw it away already. I wanted to use one of those old ones. Yeah, because I wanted those to be our actual water. So you see how far this comes out? I feel like if we put an old bottle, it'll fit. Because this is pretty long. But if not, because look, put that back. This has to go in first. See? I think if we have a smaller one, it'll be perfect. Test it out again after. I was thinking we can set this on top. You can put a little bit of glue that adhesive and liquid down, and then we could just put the surrounding parts with that. Kind of into little strips. This has a film on. So you peel it. So we put crazy glue at first. That's what we did. I don't ever think it's gonna get that full, but it's really nice. Ice cream cone. Alright, so this is what it ended up looking like. It looks really nice. We got the bowl for $8. The funnel was $1. You want to test it? First. So we put this over here and put it in. Wait, pull it up, pull it up. Yeah, that'll be. So this is where, when we're done with the dirty water, it'll go down. We're gonna test it out before we lock it in. Okay, so she's pouring the water. Okay. And there it goes. I didn't think we was gonna be this successful. I think we're doing really pretty good. I know. I'm ready for it now because I'm just like, it's gonna be super easy. Perfect. That's it, guys. And we're about to go. If we do end up using the pump, we can have the sink pump here. And yeah, right here. Right on the side. Let me see it. That's why I'm so glad we left so much space right here. Yeah. So this is what's gonna happen in the future. That's why we left so much space here. So we can put a pump right here. Results. So this is the whole kitchen right here. And as you can see, this is our system. We're gonna order a jug that has a faucet. Well, not a faucet, but that has the pump thingy. Or we're gonna make it ourselves. So if we do make it, we'll let you guys know. This is the bottom. I put a little bit of extra precaution. I put some tape to hold it. But we don't think it needs it because it's pretty. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. We're cooking. Kataji cooking out here, cooking. So you better go test it out in the car and we'll let you guys see it once we put it in there. So this is what it looks like right now. A bunch of stuff we bought. So we can get in here looking nice and spicy. So these are the jugs for our water. 6 gallons. Tati already told you. Put this on the side. It's our tools. Beautiful kitchen. Guys, I thought we did a really, really good job. Nice. That's our kitchen. We made it all by ourselves. And the wood we got for the top one we got for free because we went to Home Depot and found them. And we only paid really for one piece of long flat wood, and that's what we made the bottom. So we're gonna get bungee cords to hold the whole kitchen down. I think we did a really good job. Yeah, we're gonna put a curtain, and then we're gonna put a bungee cord just to hold everything while we're driving. I'm gonna put a pump right in here. And then it will connect with this container. Yep. And then it will drain into that container. We bought a grill, a mini grill. It's real small, and it also turns into a cooler. So if we go hiking, if we're on the beach, we can grill. And we bought this big old bag of charcoal for $6, and it also comes with the oil. It doesn't come with the oil. I had to pay for the oil. Taj bought the oil. This is the cooler. That's the cooler part. And everything we purchase, guys, is usually on Amazon. Most of the stuff we purchase from Amazon. We'll get them links for y'all. Yeah. So y'all can know. We'll get the links and it'll be in the description. In the bag. So that turns into a cooler. We also bought a cooler. But we didn't bring it out because... Why didn't we bring it out? I don't know. Yeah, I told you to bring it. You was like, well, I gotta go back inside to check on the food anyway. Oh yeah, I set my alarm for that, right? Alright, so the job now is to set it up because Bae figured... Yeah, I want to put it in its place while it's together because when we're out, I want to be able to just go. Yeah. And I agree, because when we're ready to eat, we want to eat. Just in case. Thug life. We in these streets, man. We in these streets. Just in case. Couple real ones. With common courtesies, you know. Fresh baby powder. Why do you want to put them already? You can put a pot on it. We got my pen this big. I'm only getting 2 boxes. What's in this box? Dun, 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 dun. What's that? I think. But I probably won't use it as much as I think as well. Why? This is my cooler. Because ice, it's going to melt. It's hot. You know what I'm saying? And look what temperature. We're going to use it only like when we have stuff. Look, it's 79 degrees, 80 degrees in here. You think ice going to maintain? Maybe 2 days. We put enough. But yo, this joint deep. That's why I'm gonna name this one the Big Blue. Big Blue Whale. Cause this thing deep. We got a basket for that. All of this is for what? That's to hold it down. I don't know why I poured everything out. Me either. Yeah, I just didn't want you to ask me why. We got a 24 piece. Cause we hungry. Also from Amazon. A 24 piece from Amazon. Now this thing was cheap. It was like what? 13 bucks? 9? I think it was 9 or 12. Well, that's even better. 9 or 12. All of these, I get 24. I mean, it is the plastic ones. It's fully plastic. There is no metal, but you know, for 9, 10 bucks. They give you a lot, so I mean, if it pops, it's a lot. You just move on. Exactly. It's simple. Oh, did you guys see our new water bottle over here? We got that cost us like the $13 Geo Sports bottle. that's gonna be our sink, faucet, our drinking water, because we have a filter pitcher that we're gonna be using. Does it look right? And we wanna. So yeah, that's our pump. Brush your teeth, wash your hands, wash your dishes. Ooh, ooh. You can get water from it, you know what I'm saying? Except we're gonna put it in the pitcher because our pitcher has a filter. So we won't be drinking it like that. But yeah. If you guys are doing this, make sure you have a filter, something. So you can drink water from anywhere.
Man, life will put you into what you want to call it, old lady mode.
Look at your neck look like it broke.
Look at me. I'm trying to get shit done. That's what you got.
And I'm taller than Taji. Ooh, nice. We have this to sit on, and now we have a cooler to sit on. I don't like that on it. You can sit on it by itself.
I'm getting into wood burning. So what I'm going to be doing is making a delicate design right above the board. Right on the board that I'm sitting on right now.
She swears she's a professional now.
I am one.
She just bought a little piece of how to make them, and now she thinks she's a professional.
So I got the kit. I got
the kit. You got like one thing you purchased. Calm down, Taj.
All I need to get is my transparency paper. That should go fund me. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm trying to get this stuff. I'm trying to get this money because I know I can make beautiful designs right here on the road.
Yes, she can.
While I'm out here.
Yes, she can.
But you know what? It's going to be hard because that thing takes 125 volts. I'm be an artiste.
You are an artist. You just don't draw no more.
Back to the basics.
We got our lighter.
We got our lighter for our grill.
The grill's right here.
We're going to have to move this shit, but we're going to have to go somewhere else.
The grill is really small, and that's why I like it. Because, like, when we put it out, it's going to be real tiny.
So do not cook indoors with this.
I wouldn't cook indoors with this. Why would you cook indoors?
One time.
So now, guys, we just have to figure out where everything goes.
I'm not to organize. That's it.
Oh, my gosh. When did you wet your hair?
Looking like Enrique.
No, you're looking like Tajane. Enrique daughter.
Yeah. They ain't going nowhere. And then maybe we wanna drink. The functions. Oh. Where you could you didn't pick it up? Kyle. Stripper. Clap them thighs.